If you're using X or Twitter, sometimes you may want to set the X app in dark mode without changing your phone's entire settings to dark mode. If you want to set just the X app in dark mode, you can do that. In this video, we'll show you how to do it. First, open the X app. After that, tap your profile photo at the top. When you tap it, you'll see Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings and Privacy. When you tap that, you'll see Accessibility, Display and Languages. Tap on this option, and when you tap that, you'll see the Display option. Tap on Display. When you tap it, you'll see some options. We want dark mode, so select Night. After selecting Night, there are two other options. You'll see Dark Theme, and under that you have Dim and Lights Out. If you select Dim, it will be a lighter dark mode, and if you select Lights Out, it will be much darker. So you can choose the theme according to your need. Anyway, after setting that up, you can go back, and your settings will be saved. This way you can easily set dark mode on X or Twitter. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.